dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Saturday, September 21st, Edo State voters will have another opportunity to elect their governor, who would be sworn into office on November 12th for a term of 4 years in the first instance. Hey, but my people, there are some pertinent issues on this Edo governorship poll. But my people, before I go proceed, make una not go anywhere, make una relax. I go to bring the matter one after the other so they come our way. Welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality That SGC, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. If today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining. So my people, may we dive into the main story. On Saturday, September 21st, Edo State voters will have another opportunity to elect their governor, who would be sworn into office on November 12th for a term of 4 years in the first instance. The campaign season is on, and the frontline candidate jostling for prominency are Dr. Aswi of the People Democratic Party, Senator Mondo Oholo of the All Progressive Congress, and Olumide Akpata of the Labour Party. The winner of the election will take the leadership baton from the incumbent governor, Godwin Obaseki, who has been in charge of 2 terms of 8 years. The first one was on the platform of APC. That was his first term. And the second one was on the platform of PDP for the second term. So which of the 3 candidates has the capacity? That is my question. Which of the 3 candidates has the competency? Which of the 3 candidates has the wide network, goodwill, global appeal, and experience to build a first world economy for Edo State? Which of the candidates? Who is the best to fit for the job? That is my question again. And who can Edo people, both home and abroad, trust to lead them for the next 4 years? Because Edo people who have been engaged in nuisance conversation on this matter are very discerning and enlightened. I am confident that they will make the right choice by voting for the candidates who will make their lives better. Because historically, Edo State has been under PDP leadership. Senator Adams Alayu Oshomole became the governor as APC candidate in 2008 after a count process upheld his electoral victory. However, as Edo people cast their vote on September 21st, they must look before they leap. They should shine their eyes this time around. So many persons have monitored public speeches by the key political actors in all the parties. But I'm worried about the egregious comments by Senator Adams Oshomole. And so many persons are worried about it as well. Ordinarily, Senator Adams Oshomole is supposed to be an elder statesman and leader from Edo State. Maybe he does not know, but Adams Oshomole is undermining his own candidate, Senator Mondo Oholo. Comrade Adams Oshomole keeps scoring his own goal to the detriment of APC. He announced to the whole world that Dr. Aswi Hodalo, the candidate of the People Democratic Party, has no home in Iwuhomi, his hometown. That is a lie from the pit of hell. He also said that Dr. Aswi Hodalo refused to sleep in Iwuhomi after a campaign stop because of witches and wizards. Isn't that an outlandish statement from a political leader? What they tried to do was to demarcate Dr. Aswi Hodalo, denigrate Eastern people in general and Iwuhomi indigents in particular. They would have told him that such comment has political consequences. In 24 years since 1999, the political leadership in Edo State had been shared between Edo North and Edo South region. Senator Adams Oshomole was from the Edo North region. He was the governor for 8 years in Edo State, while Edo South produced 2 governors, Lucky Benedo and Governor Godwin Obaseki, for 16 years. So in their own wisdom, some of the political leaders believe that political power should shift to the Edo Central region in 2024. But Senator Adams Oshomole spearheaded a campaign for Honorable Dennis Idahosa, his favorite from Edo South, to be the candidate of APC, thereby ignoring Eastern people. But the plan backfired. Clearly, Senator Adams Oshomole did not support the idea initially for the Eastern Central region to produce the next governor of Edo State. Eastern people have not forgotten that slide. So it was the same tactics Comrade Adams Oshomole deployed when he demarcated Pastor Sagi Ezenyamu in 2016. And subsequently, he presented him as the best man to be governor of Edo State in 2020. What changed after 4 years? What? Senator Adams has still not been able to answer this question. Pastor Ezenyamu was a great political strategist in his own right. He lost on both counts. So it is fair to consider that Adams Oshiomhole backed Governor Godwin Obaseki fully to become governor for his first term in office, but they fell apart and became adversaries. Should the senator representing Edo North Senatorial District be the one to tell the whole world that Bessie, the wife of Governor Godwin Obaseki, is childless? That was another own goal by Adams Oshiomhole as he mocked Bessie for being childless and not adopting children with her husband. Can you just imagine how a man who was a leader of the Nigeria Labour Congress, former governor of Edo State, and now serving senator would descend to the level of gutter politics to prove what point my people? Bessie did not mention any name. She did not mention anyone by name when she said Dr. Asuihodolo, the PDP candidate, is the only one who has a wife. Bessie made the comment when she introduced Ifeyinwa Ihodalo, the wife of Dr. Asuihodalo, during a campaign rally at Obiaja. So at this rate, we do not even know who the APC governorship candidate is. Mondo Babulu or Adams Oshiomhole. Senator Adams Oshiomhole has been pitching Senator Mondo Boholo to Edo people as the best man for the job of governor. So my people, is he the one? Is he the right person for the governor of Edo State? Because I respect this right to veer for any political office. Since Comrade Adams Oshiomhole is more or less the face of his campaign, Senator Mondo Boholo would really have to work hard with less than 3 weeks to the election to convince Edo people to vote for him. Edo people also want a strong leader that they can trust to build a vibrant economy. One way the local economy can grow is through destination marketing. So now a lot of people are complaining that the rate at which Senator Adams Oshiomhole is going about this election, they don't even know who is the APC governorship candidate. If it is Mondo Boholo or Senator Adams Oshiomhole, my people don't be small matter. So my people, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section below. I would like you to tell us, among these 3 candidates running for the governorship election, who among them has the capacity, has the competency, the wide network, the global appeal, and experience to build a first world economy in Edo State? Who is the best fit for the job of governor in Edo State? Let's make the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned. But if you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please do also forward to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying tuned. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your way next. Bye for now.